Hi, this is a short practice to help you meet your day with mindfulness and possibility. I want to invite you to do this meditation outside, and if that's not possible, next to a window or somewhere with natural light. Maybe you can even open a window. We're going to begin with eyes closed, sitting in a comfortable position. And as you do, we will take a deep breath in together, filling through our nose. And as you exhale through the mouth, I want you to let something go. And as you settle into this position, taking a moment to notice the sensation of light, the sensation of the sun as it touches your skin, noticing how this feels, the temperature. Observe the warmth it creates throughout your whole body. If it's early in the morning, notice the quiet sounds, the birds, the wind. Maybe it's the hustle and bustle, or maybe it's silence. I'll invite you to feel yourself within the space now. And I want you to look at today with this mantra: because I am alive, anything is possible. I want you to reflect on these words as you start your day today. As you feel the sun kiss your skin, the smells, the air, fresh coffee brewing. What would it be like to believe that anything is possible today? What would that look like? And what would that feel like? Imagine this vividly. Reflecting on this feeling, the warmth of the sun, the sensations in your body in this very moment. Let's take a big deep breath in through our nose together. Relaxing into it, let it all go. And as we come towards the end of this practice, you may wish to place a hand on the heart and another on the belly. Offering a moment of gratitude for the sun, the air, a new day, yourself for taking this time for your practice. I'd like you to simply say thank you. And you may take this feeling and experience with you throughout the rest of your day. And I will see you soon.